Hey everyone, this is the day 23 of Spoken English in my journey. Today it is something new category that I will be presenting in front of you. That is a quick questions that you can ask people whenever you are conversating with them. So let's begin. First one is if you want to ask somebody that he or she want to have lunch with us, so you can say, wanna grab lunch? Means that want to that the second person or the other person that you are asking is if he or she want to come with us for the lunch. This is the meaning of this. So the second one is if you are seeing something and you and also one of your friend is seeing that only, and you are asking him that you have seen that particular thing that I have seen. So what you can say, did you see that? Did you see that means, have you seen that thing what I have seen? So this is the second question. Third is if you want to ask a particular friend or of someone that what he or she is doing right now, or what they were doing a little time before, a few hours or few minutes before. So you can say, what you doing? Means what you doing. You can say what you are doing right now, or what you were doing. You can ask what you're doing. Okay, now the fourth sentence. So now the fourth sentence is if you want to ask somebody that where he or she went yesterday, or where he she gone yesterday. So you can say, where do you go? It means that where he or she went, or where he she gone a particular day or a particular time before. So the fifth sentence is if you want a help from somebody else, so you can ask him or her as could you help me? Means could you help me? If you want to ask somebody, you can use this shortcut. Could you help me? Okay, the next sentence is if you want to ask someone for coffee or for tea, so you can say, would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? So this is very simple, and it sometimes look very fantastic while speaking these words. Would ya, could ya. So these were the quick questions that you can use to improve your English, as you can complete your questions very shortly and they look good when you use these questions. So this is all about today. Thank you.